I just found a platform where you keep every single dollar, and it's free right now. Let me explain. So I was looking at what creators lose to platform fees. Gumroad, 10%, Etsy, 15%, Shopify, $39 a month plus fees. That's thousands of dollars a year. Gone, just for using their website. Then I found 3D Emily. It's in beta right now, which means it's completely free. Zero fees, zero commission. You keep 100%. But here's where it gets crazy. Look at everything you can sell on this thing. 3D models, furniture, characters, game assets. People are making thousands selling these. Ebooks and courses, the bread and butter of digital products. One good guide can pay your rent forever. Templates, Notion templates, Canva designs. Someone turned a simple productivity template into a six-figure business. Design assets, icons, graphics, stock photos, music and audio, beats, sound effects, podcast intros, software and plugins. That tiny WordPress plugin you made could earn you millions over time. Digital art, illustrations, patterns, printables. In my favorite, link products. You literally sell links to valuable resources. Monetize what you know. Setup takes like 2 minutes. Connect your PayPal, upload your stuff, set your price. Someone buys, money hits your PayPal instantly. No waiting 30 days, no platform holding your cash hostage. But here's the thing, it's only free because it's in beta. That's not gonna last. Go to 3ddmili.com right now. Pick one product idea, upload it today. Your first sale could literally happen tonight. Stop giving your money away. Keep what you earn.